Hello everyone and welcome to the How Do I Do It channel. Now I have this tip for you to sharpen your knives in case there is no one to sharpen them for you, or you do not have an electric sharpener, or a cordless drill to do it, as I put it in a video that we made previously, and that here I will leave the link in the description. And with something so simple that we all have at home, so without anything else to say, let's see what we are going to need. We are going to need the knife that we want to sharpen, a ceramic cup, but make sure that the bottom is one of those that have a porous surface, since that is what is going to work as our sharpening stone. It cannot be done with glass cups or those that are completely ceramic and are smooth, so just check that so that you do not hurt yourself, or this tip simply does not work for you. And finally, if we need it, a little water. First of all, we are going to take a piece of paper to check the sharpness of our knife, and if it needs to be sharpened. We try to cut the paper, and as you can see, this knife does need an urgent sharpening since it didn't even cut it the first time, and when it does, it leaves the entire cut irregularly, as if we were cutting it with a serrated knife. What we are looking for is that once we finish, it leaves the cut in the paper clean and without irregular parts. We turn the cup upside down, and what we are going to use as our sharpening stone is going to be that porous part that our cup has at the bottom. We take the knife, and we are going to pass it from bottom to top and out of the part that cuts or where the edge is. We can do it in an alternating way, or by doing it first on one side and then on the other. As you can see, it leaves everything that is being sharpened or the dirt in the cup, and this way we can realize that it is working, since that is what will make our knife sharp and able to cut as if we had used it for the first time. We continue going over it until we see that it is giving a shine to the knife blade, and that will be the indicator that it is ready. If you notice that it has not become shinier, go to the sink and pass a little water over both the cup and the knife blade, so that it works like a water sandpaper and gives it even more edge. But only do it if you see that it has not given it the edge that you want. Since we believe that we have the desired edge, we take the same sheet of paper and try again to see how it cuts. And as you can see, there is a huge difference from the first cut to these that we are making, since you can see the clean cut without irregularities, because it already has the edge of the knife. And now it is ready for whatever we want to cut, and in just a few minutes. As you could notice, with just two things that we have in our houses, we can leave our knives very sharp and without any effort, so we can cut everything we want and without problems, such as the turkey for these holidays, both at Christmas and New Year's, or simply for everything else like meat, vegetables, or whatever we want to cut, and in just a few minutes. As you know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with all your family, friends, and acquaintances. Like the Facebook page and check out the other videos, because I assure you that some of them will be very useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this advice has been useful to you. From the Coffe channel, I wish you the best for this new year. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.